just stand by side. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you run?
Next, branded ma'am. Ganda. O, lagi nyo naman to binibili. Pero mas mahal pa, my love. Branded me pastel leaf para siyang Lacoste. Ganun niyo po yung brand niya, ma'am, ha? Kapantay siya, ma'am. Basic lang, pero loose, ma'am. Tela niya, malambot na malambot talaga. Medium frame to large lang, ma'am. Okay, medium frame to large kaya, mahaba ulit. Of course, premium maxi tayo, kaya expect nyo na mahaba. Code pastel, give ko lang 180. Original, ma'am, medium untag. Medium to large to me. Kayang-kaya yan. Oh, enough lang din yung sa braso niya, no? Pwede pang office po, yes. Okay, medium frame to large, mind nyo if you like it, okay? 180, bebe.